Good morning everyone. Welcome back to Maths online class of class 3rd. Priya here. Today I will teach you unit 20. It's about data and charts. So all of you pay attention here. First I want to tell you what is data. Data is a collection of facts and numbers. And what is pictograph? A picture chart is called pictograph. Here bar charts also given, or you can say bar graphs, where the colored squares together look like bars. Now come to exercise 20A. First question is, Gina has different types of sweets. Count them by making mark like this in the table. Cross out the sweets you have counted. And this is the table. In first picture of toffees, sweets are given, and here you have to put the marks, and here you have to write the number. How many sweets are there in the picture given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now put the mark here like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 you have to cross out. 6, 7 and write here 7. Now next one. Next sweets you have to count this gray one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not this one. Put the mark here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and write here 4 in total. Now next one. Circle form of sweets you have to count from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now put mark like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and one more, I think here it is given 6, and write in total 6. Now next, lollipop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now put mark here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and count it and write in the total 4. Now question number 2. Romy counted the pebbles, sticks and shells he had picked up at the beach. He had picked up at the beach and he took them out of a packet one by one, made marks against their names. Write the total of each thing in the. Now in table it is given things you have to count: stick, shell and pebble. First you have to count a stick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sticks are here 4. Like this you put mark. You have to put mark only and write the total here 4. It is already given in the book. Marks are already given. You have to count and write here. Now shell, how many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and write here in the column 13. Now third one is pebble. First you count this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and write in the total here 7. Now next question is question number 3. Look at the table and answer the questions. Here one table is given. First you read this. Name and weight is given. Name and weight are given here. First one, Jay. Jay weight is 26 kg. Vijay weight is 24 kg. Shamal weight is 25 kg. Ganesh weight is 25 kg. Piyush weight is 23 kg. Harsh weight is 27 kg. Nitin weight is 25 kg and Bobby weight is 25 kg. Now first question is A part, who weighs the least? Who weighs the least? Here Piyush. Piyush weighs the least and his weight is 23 kg. Now B part, who weighs the most? सबसे ज़्यादा weight किसका है? Here you have to see 27 kg. And who is the Harsh. Harsh weighs the most and his weight is 27 kg. Now C part, what is the most common weight? Common weight कौन सा है जो सबका लगभग सेम है? 25 kg. Right here 25 kg. D part, how many are above the most common weight? आप इसमें सेपरेट कर लीजिए पहले. 1 2 3 4 and upper part 4 and lower part 4. First you separate it and from above part you have to tell most common weight is 25 right here, and they are asking about how many, so write here 2. How many are below the most common weight? Here also 25, and Nitin and Bobby both have 25 kg. Right here 2. I hope you understood this one. Now page number 151. Question number 4. Here you can see in the table TV sold by TV Mart. TV Mart ने कितने TV sold किया? It is given here. And first one you see this type of TVs are 20. And this type of TVs are 10 sold, and the total number of TVs sold in 6 days is. So first you see here 1 2 3 4, and this type of TV means 20 TVs. 1 2 3 4 5. Here 5 are given na. 5 20s are 100, and this one denote 10 TVs. Now add this one also, the answer is 110. This figure denote 20 TVs and this figure denote 10 TVs. And here TV Mart sold, you can see how many TVs? 1 2 3 4 5. These denotes 20 na, so you can plus or you can multiply it. 1 2 3 4 5 20s are 100, and this denote 10, so add in 100 110. Answer you have to write here 110. Now next question is 5. Here you can see this roti denotes 40, this roti denote 30, half shape denotes 20, and this denotes 10. Now you have to check rotis made by Mrs. Sharma, how many? This you can see here 1 and 2, and this one is this one and this one. This denote 30 na, and 2 are given, so it is 60. Now plus full roti, you can see full circle form, and this one denote 40, and these are 2 are given, so it will be 80. Now add next one half, this one only given, and it denotes 20. It denotes 20 plus here these 2 are given, and 1 denote 10, so this one is also 20. Now add this one, 60 plus 80 140, 140 plus 20 160, 160 plus 20 180. Here you have to write the answer. Now question number 6. This pictograph shows the number of children who took part in different things on annual day. Look at it and fill in the blanks. You have to see this table. Those are taking part in singing, dancing, fancy dress and playing. And you can see here, if one candle means, full candle means 6 children, and half candle means 3 children. Now the number of children who took part in the play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here you can see one candle denote means 6 children, and you have to multiply by it. 5 6 are 30, right here 30, and in fancy dress how many? 1, 2, 3, and one more is half. First you multiply 3 by 6, it is 3 6 are 18, plus 3 children 21, right here 21. Now B part, the total number of children who took part, means you have to add all, those are all children, total number of all children those are taking part in program singing, dancing, fancy dress and play. So first you have to count this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Now 16 into 6 is 96, plus half 1 and 2 only, it means 2 into 3 6. The answer is 102, right here in the space given. Now C part, the list number took part in, सबसे कम पार्ट किस में लिया है, कौन से प्रोग्राम में? इन फैंसी ड्रेस ना, right here fancy dress. Now question number 7. This pictograph shows how the children of boarding school went home for their summer vacation. How the children traveled: by car, by bus, by train. And one wheel 20 children, one wheel 20 children, half wheel 10 children, and 1/4 wheel is 5. The number of children who travelled by car: 1 2 multiply by 20, and one more is half, 40 plus half 10. The answer is 50. The number of children who travelled by bus: 1 2 3. First you multiply this one with 20, so first is 60. Now plus half it is given 10, 1/4 it is given 5. Now add this one, the answer is 75, right here 75. Now C part, the number of children who traveled by train. First you count these wheels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 denote 20. Now multiply by 20. The answer is 120. Now question number 8, page number 152. A farmer's son made a pictograph about the animals they own. Here you can see one face means 20 and cows are given here. How many? 1, 2, 3. 3 20s are 60. Here buffaloes how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 is half. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 20s are 80 plus half 90. Now count goats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 20s are 180. Now count sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 20s are 120. Now first question is the number of buffaloes plus number of sheep. Number of buffaloes are 90 and number of sheep are 120. Now add this one, the answer is 120. Now B part, they have dash more buffaloes than cow. How many buffaloes are there? 90 and cows 60. It means 30 more buffaloes than cows are given here. Right here 30 in the space given. Now C part, the number of cows is equal to 1/3 of the number of sheep. Here 1/3 of the number of sheep. How many are the sheep here? 120. Now do it 1/3. It is 40. But here cows are given 60 only. That means it is wrong. Right here false. Now D part, 2 into the number of buffaloes is equal to the number of goats. How many buffaloes? 90. Now multiply it. It is 180. Now equals to the number of goats are, here you can see 180. That means it is true. So right here true. Now next is question number 9. This chart shows the number of bottles of cold drinks sold by a shop in different months of a year. Write the numbers in the chart as shown for March. And you can see here 1 square means 100 bottles. In March you can see 1, 2 are full box and 1 is half, so it is 250. Now in April 3 boxes are given, it means it is 300. In May 6 boxes are given, it means it is 600. In June 5 full boxes are given and 1 half, that means it is 550. In July 5 boxes are given, you have to write here 500. Now August, in August full 3 boxes, it means 300 and 1 half, it means 50. So the answer is here 350. Now question number 10. Now question number 10. The teacher asked the children of class 3rd where they would like to go for a holiday. 20 children want to go to the mountain, 20 to the beach, and 10 to a desert. Fill the pictograph to show this. Also show this by coloring the square. Here you have to fill the pictograph. In this table you see here mountain is given, beach and desert, and one smiley face means 5 children. And how many children wanted to go to the mountain? 20 na? So divide 20 by 5. 4 is the answer na, so you have to make 4 smileys here. Now on beach 20 children wanted to go. Here also you have to divide 20 by 5. That means you have to make 4 smileys here. And on desert 10 wanted to go. 10 divided by 5, 2. Then you have to make here 2 smileys. Now here you have to color the squares. One square means 5 children, and on mountain 20 wanted to go. So you have to draw, you have to color 4 squares. On beach 20 children wanted to go. Here also you have to color 4 squares. And on desert 10 children wanted to go. So you have to color here 2 boxes, 2 squares. I hope you understood this one. And students, you have to do this unit in your books only, no need to write in copies. And come to review worksheet 5. Students, you have to this review worksheet you have to do in homework. And answers I will give you in next video of this review worksheet. So do yourself practice. Question number 3, question number 4, not question number 4, question number 3, question number 5, 6 and 7 you have to do in copies. Once again I am telling you, question number 3, question number 5, question number 6 and 7 you have to do in copies. Question number 3, 5, 6 and 7 you have to do in copies. Other work you have to write in books only. And in next video I will send you the answers of review worksheet 5. Now thank you everyone, take care all of you.